The interior of a vehicle can easily become dirty for various reasons. Everyday use results in the accumulation of dust, food crumbs, spilled drinks, and grime from hands. Additionally, sweat and sebum during summer and dirt and snow in winter can cause further contamination. Smoking inside the vehicle or traveling with pets can exacerbate these issues. Over time, these pollutants can penetrate interior materials, leading to unpleasant odors and providing an environment for bacteria and mold growth. Maintaining the cleanliness of a vehicle's interior is not just a matter of aesthetics. A contaminated interior can be harmful to health and decrease the vehicle's value. STEK Interior effectively removes these pollutants while forming a coating layer to prevent re-contamination. For plastic surfaces, it provides slickness and water repellency, making it easy to wipe off dirt. For leather, the product is absorbed, solidifying to prevent contaminants from penetrating deeply and enhancing the surface's glossiness. Simply spray the product onto a towel and wipe the surfaces to achieve cleaning and coating. For a more thorough effect, spray a generous amount on the area that needs cleaning. Use a microfiber applicator or a brush for cleaning, and then wipe off with a towel. Keep your vehicle safe and shining with STEK.